After the former president defamed a court employee on social media, he's facing a gag order from the judge in his civil fraud trial. It bars Trump from commenting on members of the court staff. Senior investigative correspondent Aaron Katersky is tracking the case. Good morning, Aaron.
George, good morning to you. Former President Trump is returning here for his civil trial after he was hit with that limited gag order. He angered the judge with a social media post disparaging the judge's law clerk, and Judge Arthur Engoron scolded Trump about personal attacks on court staff and warned of serious sanctions if it happens again. Trump does not have to be here, but he speaks frequently in the hallway to reporters complaining about the judge and also the woman who brought the case, New York Attorney General Letitia James. Her team has been questioning an accountant who testified Trump controlled the financial statements that the judge has already said were fraudulent because they made him seem far richer than he actually was. And with Trump looking on, a defense attorney questioned the accountant, marveling at how he prepared the tax returns for the 45th president of the United States, adding maybe even the 47th president of the United States. That drew a laugh in the courtroom, George, but it shows how Trump is trying to use his legal peril to every political advantage.
And Aaron, that statement about the court employee, just one of a series of inflammatory statements the former president has made in recent days and weeks, including calling for the death penalty of the former chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff. And now he's facing the prospect of a second gag order.
He is, George. Special counsel Jack Smith has asked a federal judge in Washington to impose a gag order against Trump, citing what Smith called his disparaging and inflammatory attacks. With this potentially costly civil case and 4 criminal prosecutions weighing on him, Trump's rhetoric has gotten increasingly violent. You mentioned the call to execute General Mark Milley. There was also Trump's mocking of the attack on former House Speaker Nancy Pelosi's husband. And in recent days, he has called for shoplifters to be shot without due process. George.
Aaron Katersky, thanks. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.